Are you utilizing the power of the Roth IRA? The choice between traditional and Roth IRAs could be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. This is why I'm here to help. My name is Samer Hilal, and I'm a wealth advisor, and I'm here to explain the differences between traditional and Roth IRAs and which one could be more advantageous for you. In general, traditional IRAs offer you tax deductions on contributions upfront, but then you pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement, where Roth IRAs offer no tax deductions on contributions upfront, but all your contributions and growth grow tax deferred, and potentially your withdrawals can be tax-free in retirement. Choosing between a Roth and a traditional IRA relies on multiple factors. Factors such as your current tax situation, your future tax situation, your goals and objectives, and your age. I can certainly help you evaluate your own situation and determine what works best for you. Don't let confusion derail your retirement planning. Follow me and learn more about Roth IRAs and all other financial matters.